Creators like you work tirelessly to get the shot and capture the moment. You need your gear to work at the flick of a switch. To shine a light on what you do without wasting a second. To be ready for any moment. And to look as good as you do doing it. You need an effect. You need this color. No, this color. Actually, this color. You need to be quiet or loud. And to be ready to go wherever the adventure takes you. Because some lights can take you anywhere. And I mean anywhere. With tools like these, you're unstoppable. VILTROX. Get creative.